Valley Vixens started as a roller derby club back in January 2013. It was set up by a group of about 10 girls, and then I joined in October 2013, and we've been here ever since. Since joining the Vixens in 2013, I started off as a skater, not really knowing anything about the sport. And it's gone from there to joining the committee, to being secretary, to taking over as chairperson, and generally the day-to-day running of the club. We've received a community chest grant last year for £1,500, which we've used to buy new equipment for the recreational skating sessions, skates, helmets, pads. So we've got everything now for children from the age of 2 right the way up, and we have all ages able to participate in our sessions.
I got involved in the club by a couple of friends who were already involved in roller derby, came and spoke to me and said you should totally get involved in this sport because it's awesome. Because I done a little bit of skating, BMXing and surfing in the past as well, so extreme sports was the sort of thing I enjoyed. I got to be honest, I didn't know what roller derby was when I first heard of it, and until somebody showed me a video of a game, and I was like, oh my god, I got to totally get involved in this. And I literally went to a session, watched a session, and the next day went out, bought some kit, and I never looked back since. That was 4 years ago.
At the moment, we're running 2 derby sessions a week for 18s and overs. Our Friday is our beginner session, and Monday we have advanced derby training, and Sunday afternoons we do recreational skating for all ages. Looking towards the future, we're hoping next year now to be able to compete in British Champs with the derby team, and hopefully encourage more people to take up roller skating.
I think people should get involved in roller derby because of the fitness aspect. It's so much fun, and just turning up and putting on a pair of skates is like the most amazing feeling ever. Do you know? And it's just like the camaraderie within the team. You make loads of friends, you meet new people, and yeah, absolutely. Join roller derby. Just come and have a go.